Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock and click on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and tap at this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, and when you're done, select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Now you can click on the switches next to alarm sound and volume, alarm with vibration, animated weather and paddle lock to turn them on or off. You can also click on alarm sound and volume, click allow, and over here you can adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound. Go back, choose snooze duration and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. After that, if you are all done, you can click on save at the bottom right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, hold it and tap delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!